alamara utipadicha luko TV East emalata ngeskerelu isesente TV East koto mapakiana era lolo aparasha kanyangon Olap Otibar okarule lukumniare keda kaisaralu uni Agnes Acheti ngesa shomi ido etege asibere kedenu ingarento sko Iyemuto. Alimokin Apollo Kisomeroi arichita parti na egearor ashoman. Edoko engareno kakanin ITDCR enaba MPs. Etegeli eraban lo kansulo lo asamuk. Ajalaki amarana kwa pulwedolete akwatakanya unetwa kitos ko Morocco. Eroko aboliana Corporate League elosakonye Ateso karamoja. Itegari Iyemuto walk Apollo Kito Kisomeroi anatari Uganda kere kesi ekenyakin arichita parasha nu bongo kineta shoman kaparasha nu golo kinet Isomeroida. Minister lo chichi koya itenwa shoman na senior Dr. John Chrysostom Muyingo nesi ekeuninu inera kina Apollo Kisomeroi anatari Uganda kere odolete ilukumini uni Ateso College aloyet koibuga soroti. Arotan kosi Solomon Ramo ngesi ya untaidoles.
Minister lo chichi koya itenwa shoman na senior Dr. John Chrysostom Muyingo nesi Kenya ki Apollo kinito Kisomeroi ko Uganda aisacha alengakina pukonori Someroi kech eroko atamu egeara. Nunese keu ningesi kosomera Ateso College na jari ngesa itegeara ina petanu etukono kinotori Apollo kinito Kisomeroi kangini karu kanwa etamitama Apollo na shoman kakwapuo.
No school is worth its name without offering a vibrant program of sports on its curriculum. No school. In this regard, I add my voice to congratulate our schools that registered several wins, Pesa Games in Ihule, Rwanda. Let us all embrace sports and games in our schools and develop the full potential and the talents of these young people. And I thank you because I know with the organization this will happen.
Apollo kinito Kisomeroi ko Uganda Augustine Mugabo ngesi abu ochamu ebe elosete kwana kesi aitemo kine somaelo apukonor ka agolonokin Isomeroi.
The minister has talked about the school calendar that we ought to be respected, and indeed we must respect it. He has talked about conducting holiday lessons, which is illegal, and I want to encourage head teachers who have been allowing it to take place to stop it. And he has also cautioned the people who close schools in as much as the government allowed closure to stagger. Staggering does not mean closing 3 weeks before.
Mugalunge sobui marake minister atio kishonu itoltolete Apollo na shoman kakwapuok.
Honourable Minister, we have incomplete structures in some of the schools, particularly the city schools. Money was returned to consolidated fund because of the contractors who did not do due diligence. We have a number of schools with caretaking head teachers. Yes, the terminologies will change. They will talk about signing them higher duties, but they remain caretakers. A caretaker fears to take a decision. First of all, is challenged by the board, challenged by the ministry officials. Whatever you want to do, everybody will tell you, remember you are a caretaker.
E commissionalo Isomeroi luo senior Sam Galoba nesabu obongo kinu kere kobala ebe. Ijai kwa pekwa napuga ne otara ko wailo aitemokin aina petanwa shoman kakwapuo.
We have a total of about 1,900 teachers not yet deployed. We have held several meetings with stakeholders, but the challenge has been wage. Ministry of Finance provided 15 billion for this wage, but the total requirement was 50 billion. So we have a deficit of 35 million. However, we were promised that after the audit of the payroll, some money will be identified so that we can now post these teachers. Schools with caretakers. Honorable Minister, I agree with the chairman. We have, in the past few months, been inviting and compiling information on all caretaker teachers in schools. And we have asked for your requirements, your documentations, your CVs, so that we see how to push this matter out of our way once and for all. I want to
Kanuka TV East, Solomon Eramu, Koibuga, Soroti.
Apollo Kicholongo, Luka LC5, ka atupito kokech, nepepe ka erabaka lu kansulono luko Ateso, kesi edokota kanin achamanarebe, itolomu nae aijuljuleta kotoma seo, na ingare no kuluwa irabet. Ekotosi kesi itidisiare na balo iministan kitwania kaisara lu kany, kosodiebe kolemarai MPs lu ebo ikitos ingwalasik, atumunak ajore ka ipolok kotoma airabet. Habat Paul Eyoku Kaidules.
Engare no kluka LC5s atupitoko kech nepepeka erabako kansulon kede iriongetalu ojokota ukoteso kesi edokoto akanin kanu aingongar iministan iche keda alemar MPs ka aitigogong ikisila ichielu ikamanara kede epugae lo akwap nako Uganda. Apollo Kinton erionget loka Public Affairs Center Uganda Kauriano Tupak Benson Ekwe Ochen ngesi Apollo Kitnu Airiamon Kana.
Akrono ella ngirina lo nasodit e parlamentare e kodos kesi tolo sere a seo e tojo karai ninda adar ke sa chamon kereno wali kata papenate to some technology ani bone be mi puchu ta seo e teselare jokonoi are radio official electoral commission nara ilu ipupa na pera puchu so dali monje boloto bore boloto koti koni bala sane bija puchu seo joda bera weni karaka isare
Achie kotoma akironu akoto ikole mara ikesi imoriaritos aitidishare etiailo aboy kintok airabet araibonat MPs.
Pala be itidishare na ambalo member wa parliament ipedura yoni kapumu ibu osweta ebwa kini asomsinakie papa na ito kola kuruma shoman aitojo kala kuruma ngaleu aitojo katuri iroti na yare kini pala be ikoto alemute system lo itojo karebe arare seye president ujai tungano ne rukotori ngesi ene beti arauni atupito nike neba kazamu sugun berani ngimeti
ekoto ni kwapi district analote so local government ai boiki na sota jenu nebe uponi ba ni epotu Acheti tungalu elemeti boka na oko uponi ba ni imeda unoni da kwapi local government nare jai apupinga pakia la polona kwa penerebe de lekyoga graben yesina ikamu tikabere maido kede serere ejaki nyetengina lekyoga graben
ejoko to sewne minister do poneke o sewne member parliament do poneke tete member parliament epirago parliament ago ikinanyo au msone tunga. We are also talking about separation of power. We are talking about parliament, we are talking about executive. Epero executive to influence parliament asoma kiro no ekotongesi o marakiro ni bezokina kereno itunga.
Kwenye abu ikintok atomona kesi apoto imuasi no ale mariona atomona airabet.
We disagree and we want to acknowledge that the National Youth Council Act is a body or rather an act passed by Parliament for reasons of inclusion and quality development, where all young people have equitable voicing of their opinions and representation to that effect.
Mam tinga teiba ebyoki borene alemar special interest groups. Na wanyo ni ranapo special interest groups. Erai eporoto letungalu ebwetos kesi okwa. Eptosi bala atumunak. Ediasi podesha lo atumunak. Lumam directly elected MP epidori angaro parliament. Onye pedotap tumuna kamunyakin. Kapa case.
Kanuka TV East, Herbert Paul Eyoku Kosoroti.
Kwana Rex Birawara Gasha, esisha utuberi dibore kotoma upitene lo Ateso.
Bo abasi poloko be iso etale kosi ane mama bera nyama koit. Do ja beru ay mama nyama koit mama nyambura ko Keda tukwa wanyini meji mi borongu. Do ja beru e mama ni ko chokini ja koit ja nyame supu bon. Tone buni otata ko na iko chokini ja koit. Akirong ne so mai poloka jen mi beji ma kiri ne ja ito ma koit.
Arasinguna Waragasha Iyemuto Siri Kunyakawai.